Very good morning to all students. Today we are doing GK with chapter Arrange steps in sequence. What is in this? Some poem lines are given here already and you have to put them in sequence. Okay? Like A number is healthy, wealthy and wise. B number is and early to rise, which is the C step, makes a man, and what is the D step, early to bed. Have you learned that this poem in your nursery and LKG class also, beta? Mind it? Early to bed, early to bed, early to rise. How to do? Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Have you learned that poem? What was? Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay. So which step will come here firstly? Early to bed. So firstly we will write here D. Then early to rise. And early to rise. Then we will write here B. Okay. Then which is the third line? Makes a man. Then we will write here C. And which is the fourth line? Healthy, wealthy and wise. So we will write here A. So in this way you have to write the correct sequence by following these poem lines and you have to write in your GK book. Okay. Now we will solve the next question. What is the next question? Look here. Now students, look here. When you were baby, what you have learned? Firstly, how to walk, how to creep, how to crawl and how to stand with your mother's help. Okay, but you have to tell me which step you learned firstly. पहले आपने क्या चलना सीखा, फिर आपने पेट के बल खिसकना सीखा, फिर आपने घुटनों के बल चलना सीखा और फिर खड़े होना सीखा. क्या आपने इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो किया बेटा? जब एक बेबी बड़ा होता है, जब वो चाइल्ड बनता है बेटा, तो वो कौन से स्टेप्स को फॉलो करते हुए बड़ा होता है? तो हमें इन स्टेप्स को चेक करना है, क्या ये प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में है? लुक हियर. फर्स्टली जो बेबी है वो क्या करता है? सबसे पहले क्रीपिंग, पेट के बल खिसकना. पहले वो पेट के बल लेटकर थोड़ा सा अपने आप को मूव करने की कोशिश करता है. तो फर्स्टली वी विल राइट हियर बी. ओके. नाउ देन ही लर्न क्रॉलिंग. फिर वो क्या सीखता है? क्रॉलिंग मीन्स घुटनों के बल रेंग कर चलना. देन वी विल राइट हियर सी. देन what he learned? Standing or walking. फिर वो थोड़ा सा किसी चीज को सपोर्ट लेते हुए थोड़ा सा खड़ा होना सीखता है. Then we will write here D. और जब वो प्रॉपरली खड़ा होना सीख जाता है बेटा, then he start to walk. Then we will write here A. B, C, D, A. Okay, these are the steps of growing up. Okay, when baby growing up, then these steps he follows. Firstly creeping, then crawling, then standing and then walking. Now students, look here. What is here? You have your house. Okay, if you want to enter in your house, then how to enter? What you will do? Firstly, you will open the door, then open the lock, then open the key. then you will enter the house. Which steps you will follow? Tell me. What are the perfect steps? What we will do? When we want to enter the house, what we will do? Firstly, we will open the lock. And how to open the lock? With the help of key. Okay? Key means जिससे आप लॉक खोलते हैं, चाबी. लॉक मीन्स ताला. डोर मीन्स दरवाजा. हाउस मीन्स घर. ओके? तो पहले आप क्या करेंगे? पहले आप की लेंगे या पहले लॉक लेंगे? क्या लेंगे आप लॉक को खोलने के लिए? फर्स्टली वी विल टेक द की. ओके? देन आई विल राइट हियर C. Then we will use that key to open the lock. Then I will write here B. Okay? After opening the lock, what we will do? We will open the door. So I will write here A. Okay? After it, when we have done that steps, we have used the key to open the lock, then we open the door, and after that, what is the last step? We will enter the house. So we will write here D. Okay? So in this way, you have to solve this question. How to enter our house? Key, lock, door, then house. Okay? So in this way you have to put them in sequence. You have to take this option. Okay, students? Now we will do next question. What is the next question? Look there. Look, students. If you want to eat something, what you will do? You will wash your hands. Wash that thing which you want to eat. Or you are cooking or cutting that thing without washing that, then how will you kill the germs? Okay, so which steps we should follow to eat the food? Firstly, we have to cook. पहले उसे पका लेना चाहिए, फिर उसे धोना चाहिए, wash, फिर उसे खा लेना चाहिए, फिर उसे कट करना चाहिए. We should follow these steps. Are these in sequence? No. So how to set them in sequence? जब हम बाहर से कोई खाना लाते हैं, कुछ मम्मी सब्जी बनाती हैं, तो वो कौन से स्टेप्स को फॉलो करती हैं बेटा? क्या मम्मी डायरेक्ट लाकर बना देती हैं? No. Firstly, she washed that vegetable. Then what she do? She wash that vegetable, then after washing it properly, she cut that vegetable in small pieces. Okay, then she cook that vegetable. After cooking, you are eating, then you eat. Okay, in cooking, germs are also killed and that vegetable is also cooked properly. Okay, and that is safe for us. So students, which step we have to follow here? Firstly, wash the vegetable. Then I will write here B. After that, cut. Then I will write here cut. After that, cook. उस vegetable को फिर पकाया जाता है. I will write here cook. And after that we eat. So this is the proper sequence. What is the proper sequence? Wash, then cut, then cook, then eat. Okay, so you have to take this correct option also in your GK book. So in this way you have to solve this exercise by putting these series in proper sequence. Okay, now one more thing, what you have to do, you should always eat healthy food and keep yourself safe beta by avoid junk food. Okay, junk food is not healthy for you, so don't eat the junk food, always eat fruits and vegetables. Now students, look here, we will do one more practice. Okay, to write in your notebook, which steps you will follow? Erase, pencil, write, notebook. What do you need here? Firstly, we will take notebook or you will take pencil. Firstly, we will take notebook. Okay, then we will take pencil to write. Okay, then what you will take? This step or this step? Then we will write. Then I will write here C, and after that when you will write something, then you will erase also. Okay, then I will write here A. पहले हमें नोटबुक की ज़रूरत होगी. नोटबुक में हम पेंसिल से लिखेंगे. पेंसिल की हेल्प किस लिए लेंगे हम? राइटिंग करने के लिए. देन वी विल राइट इन नोटबुक. Then if something is wrong, then we will erase that. Okay, so what is the correct step here? D, B, C, A. In this way you have to solve the exercise. Okay students, thank you beta.